So British Airways has introduced a new Avios subscription service, sort of like Netflix, but for catching flights. How does this work, you ask? There's 4 different plans to pick from, the first being Voyager. With the Voyager package, you get gifted 20,000 Avios points a year. So that makes a total of 1,667 Avios points a month built into your account. And how you can pay this is through 185 annually or £19 a month. The second option is the Traveller package, which is 50,000 Avios points per year, and you collect 4,167 Avios points per month at £45 a month, or you could pay 455 yearly. Now, the next 2 packages are a personal favourite of mine. This is where you'd actually see your money's worth, so I'd highly suggest investing in this, but obviously I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to help out. But with that being said, the first package will be Explorer. You get 100 Avios points per year, or 8,334 Avios points per month at £89 monthly or £899 yearly. And then the next one being Adventurer. This is probably the grandest one. This is the one I'm looking to invest in and see in a year's time if it's totally worth it. So with Adventurer, you get 200,000 Avios points per year. You get 16,667 Avios points per month. And you have 2 options. You could either pay £179 monthly or pay a total estimated cost for the entire year of £1,789. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this work? Well, let me show you. So I've done a short comparison to show you the difference between a normal purchase and an Avios subscription membership purchase. And my first example would be a short-haul flight from London to Amsterdam, a week in Amsterdam from the 28th of December till the 4th of January. And if we look to the right-hand side of the screen, a normal purchase will cost £208.66. However, if we look at the left side of the screen, it's telling me the total price is 19,500 Avios plus £1. But none of the travel packages offer that amount of Avios. So what we'd have to do is we'd have to go on more pricing options. And just looking on the pricing options, our best option here would be to have 8,100 Avios plus £75. So if you're picking the Explorer package, to sum it up, you'd pay £89 a month plus the £75, and that would make it £164. Bearing in mind you get given 8,336, so that's more than enough Avios. So £164, you basically save £44 compared to a normal purchase. So when flying outside the EU, the best package would be the Adventurer package. It just makes sense. It offers you more monthly, more yearly out of the 4. It's a no-brainer. So I'm flying from London Heathrow to Brazil on premium economy class. Now, if you look on the right-hand side of the screen, the original price or the normal price booking is £1,373.74. Now, if we do the Adventurer package, the total price is £78,000 plus £504.74. But the Adventurer package doesn't give us that within the first month. So let's say we save 2 months and we explored our pricing options. So 2 months, £179 times 2 is £358. That £358 would give us 33,334 Avios points. Now, if we look at the pricing option, our best option here would be to select 31,200 Avios points plus £864.74. Now, if we take £358, which is in a sense 33,334 Avios points plus £864.74, that would make a grand total of £1,222.74, saving a total of £151 compared to the normal booking. If you've reached the end of this video and you'd like more tips and tricks on how to make travel more feasible, then please leave a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. It's been your boy Flights with Perry, and I'm out. Peace.